this problem, we are given that in square ABCD, E is a point within the square such that angle BAE equals to angle ABE equals to 15 degrees. What is the measure of angle DEC? Notice that this figure looks very symmetrical. And then we can observe triangle DAE and triangle CBE because these are the two most obvious congruent triangles we can prove. So, since angle BAE equals to angle ABE equals to 15 degrees. So we have AE equals to BE. Then we can prove that these are congruent. Because since AD equals to BC, angle DAE equals to angle CBE equals to 90 degrees minus 15 degrees, which is 75 degrees. And we have AE equals to BE. So triangle DAE congruent to triangle CBE by the SAS congruence. Then notice that 75 degrees, which is the measure of angle DAE, and 15 degrees is the measure of EAB. Well, their difference is 60 degrees, which is a special angle because it can be used to create equilateral triangles. So we can create an equilateral triangle to see if it can give us information about angles. So we can set a point as F. Then we can construct equilateral triangle AEF based on side AE. We don't want to leave the triangle just floating around, so we can connect the EF also. Then, so first we constructed equilateral triangle AFE based on AE. Then we connected DF. So first of all, once again, we seem to have constructed some congruent triangles. So we have AF equals to EF equals to AE from the equilateral triangle. And not only that, we have AE equals to BE also from the isosceles triangle. So these four sides are all equal. And then we know that angle FAE is 60 degrees and angle DAF is 15 degrees because that's 90 degrees minus 15 degrees minus 60 degrees. So since AD equals to AB, angle DAF equals to angle EAB, and AF equals to AE. So triangle DAF is congruent to triangle BAE by the SAS congruence. And then this will get us that angle ADF equals to angle ABE equals to 15 degrees. So angle AFD equals to 180 degrees minus 15 minus 15, which is 150 degrees, which will give us angle EFD equals to 360 degrees minus 150 degrees. So 150 degrees is 60 degrees. And this entire thing makes up 360 degrees, which will mean that angle EFD equals to 360 minus 150 minus 60, which is 150 degrees. And then from the congruence, we also got that BE equals to DF. So we can prove another pair of congruent triangles. Because we want to prove congruent triangles DFE and ABE, because if we can prove that DE equals to AB, then we could prove that DE equals to EC equals to DC, which will give us that triangle DEC is a special triangle. So we have FE equals to AE. And then we know that angle EFD equals to angle AEB, because angle AEB equals to 180 degrees minus 15 minus 15. So it's 150 degrees. And then we have DF equals to BE. So triangle DFE congruent to triangle BEA by SAS. So we have ED equals to AB. And then we already know that ED equals to EC from this pair of congruent triangles. And then AB equals to CD. So triangle DEC is equilateral triangle, which means that angle DEC equals 60 degrees. And that is how you solve this problem.